Hello Kyle, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. Once again, thank you for contacting us. Regarding you're looking for a DL1000. At the moment I do have 2019 and it has only 549 kilometers and the price is 13,188 plus HST and licensing. This motorcycle is a demo from Suzuki, and you will have all the promotion applicable in this unit, which is state 5 years of warranty. And also this motorcycle comes fully stock, engine guards, center stand. It comes with the saddle box and also top box. The bike is very clean, as I said, from the Suzuki manufacturer demo. One of the executives has been riding and then ready for sale. When you do so, sometime please send me a picture from your bike, and then we'll see what needs to be done. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacting us.